Hi, everyone. It's Kimberly. As you know, Winsome Wednesday took a brief pause last week, but for a very good reason. My team and I have been working on two big updates. First, the website got a full facelift. It's cleaner, sharper, and more aligned with the work I do. I'd love for you to check it out when you have a moment. Second, and this is the part that I'm most excited about, we've been building something that many of you have asked for. After years of working privately with executives and senior leaders, I'm opening that experience to a broader cohort. It's called the Calibrated Leadership Institute. It's a 12-week coaching experience for individual leaders who want to recalibrate how they build trust, align teams, and lead with greater clarity and intention. This isn't corporate consulting or team training. It's your leadership reset. Over 12 weeks, you'll engage with self-paced modules, join 6 live coaching labs with me, and leave with a 90-day calibration plan tailored to your role. The fall cohort begins on September 29th, and enrollment is limited to just 12 participants. If this sounds like the reset you've been waiting for, I'd love to work with you. Enrollment is now open, and I look forward to seeing your name on the roster. Talk to you soon.